I just thought she had a big hairy Cleveland or something. But she had a damn chihuahua stuck in a ball. Hey, dog gotta stay warm. I got this damn thing that's freaking flat in there. Bet you could ring that. I bet you could ring that dog out. Oh, they be tripping too. I went and picked up this guy's car one time, and his own mama, his car is like, what's his stuff on it? I don't remember, but it was, nigga. Anyways, I was like, man, I said, yeah, one of them black girls mad at you? He goes, no, that's my mom. I was like, why'd your mom scratch your car? He's like, 'cause he don't like the girl that I was bringing home. I mean, stack this shit up.